name is Ben Shumi, and the number is 222. Yes, Ben Shumi. Okay, so what I do, I am the Haitian MC. I choose to flow in Creole for many reasons, okay? Yes, I'm gonna flow, I'm gonna rap, I'm gonna MC for you guys. Many reasons that you guys will get to know as we get to know each other, you know. Haiti being the first independent black nation. So I like to use the language that the slaves used to combat and you know, bring victorious. All right, let's do it. Every day. Let's do it, Jeff. Yo, we can't change who we are, right? Whoever you are, put the volume up, please. I don't care. Just put your hands up in the air. I don't care where you from. Don't care where you at. Just put your hands up in the air. Wave it like that. I don't care where you from. Don't care where you at. Just put your hands up in the air. I don't care where you from. Don't care where you at. Just put your hands. Yo, every day, this is who I am. Represente Haiti. Represente Haiti. Represente
Haiti,
Haiti, represente Haiti, represente Haiti, represente Haiti, represente Haiti, represente Haiti, represente Haiti, represente, check this out. Diri avec sauce bois partner, c'est ça moi manger. Et pourtant des accents, nous connaît un danger. Nous pas prendre congé, parce que nous y est. Gouvernement américain, nous prêt pour nous éliminer là. Tintin yo raïn, tintin yo trahin. Yo propose que ces amis pour yo rentrer à cocaïne là. Yo bail président l'argent pour les bâtir vos usines. Après ça yo va physique pour fusiller mon fille là. Alors si pas sauver mon école de chemin sorti. Mélanger pour les blés avec rouge avec yo pied palmissant. La signe c'est dread moi pas chanter pour Rick Ross. Depuis ma mon yo pour nous mettre en puissance. C'est qu'on va moins danser. Alors si pas pour déjà connaître qui t'ont représenté. Every day I'm Haitian. 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 Represente Haiti. Represente Haiti. Represente moi. Represente Haiti, represente Haiti, represente. Pour y prêt pour me crier, prêt pour me détruire, mille fois quatre produits. T'es sous microphone, dans senti d'un beau indien qui mangeait épices, fait 40 jours sans payer. Non mais, nous, hustlers en Haïti, Gavon, nos polygons, mauvais temps pour Taliban, fait bruit, temps pour Arabon, pour yon bon place numéro un fanatique, pas katana, même si c'est yon même qui t'a supposé voter, mais son web ça qui fait ça, Ben Shumi, posé. Certainement qui prend pour nous son baleine. Hey, 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 hey. I don't care where you at, don't care where you from. Put your hands up in the air, wave your light. I don't care where you at, I don't care where you from. Put your hands up in the air, wave. That's it. I go.
I need to make a copy of this video because my mom will be like, like that. You did that.
Definitely did
did. You hyped that crowd.
I love it.
So I'm gonna keep the hat on for. Thank you, guys.
Wonderful job. Phenomenal. We're gonna have a word from the judges.
That's funny. I did his last DVD, his last CD cover. I completely forgot his name.
So I have no idea what you just said, but I enjoyed every moment of what you were doing. I have no idea if you were telling me to
You were saying
run out
something
in
like,
traffic
like,
and
I was
really good. You're a very good entertainer.
Oh, it was good.
I didn't miss anything. I was gonna say you should put some English, but don't.
rap, but
It's
Haitian.
perfect. Really good. Yes.
I gotta play it again because he said so much.
All right, Ben. I love how you got the crowd right before you even started. That was really good, and that says a lot about you as an entertainer. So good job with that. Not only that, I really believe that you have a talent. As Trudy already said, we didn't understand what you were saying. I kind of picked up a few words, but I was.
It was Rick Ross.
It was good. It was good. I loved it.
His wife is Haitian, so
It was more. Yeah, it was more of me being on stage with you. Be honest. Good job. I understand every word you said, even though I didn't.
I need to know what Sasha's gonna say. Come on, Sasha.
Oh man, I think you did a phenomenal job. I wish everybody could understand what you were saying because you were saying some powerful
Oh, you understood?
stuff.
Oh my God.
Yes. So overall, great job. I would say that if you could translate it in English, it would be awesome so everybody can feel what you're saying.
Yes.
But you had the crowd going, you had me going. I love Haitian.
Yes.
I love being Haitian.
Come on.
All right.
Thank you.
I love the fact that you said I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna rap in Creole because you know that's what you're comfortable in doing it in your native tongue. And I like the fact that the way that you dressed wasn't flashy and blingy. I like that you kept it island. So I was more intrigued with that. I almost wanted to get up there, but you know I'm judging, so I couldn't get up there. Future reference. I would definitely have you. I don't know if you know about Best of the Best, which just happened this weekend. They do have entertainers that do intros. I would definitely look into that because it's very powerful. You make some money and you can get yourself out there. Great job. Great job.
Very good job. I didn't understand what you were saying, but I was definitely moved and entertained. Like she was saying, is that normally when you come to work, you always dress to impress. So I definitely understand the way that you're dressed now to represent, you know, the struggle that your people went through, and to have nothing to come out with something. That's definitely a blessing. So great performance.
222. Please vote 222, guys.
Very easy.
Awesome.
It's 22. It's 22.
It's a 220.
Yo, what's up, man?
Alright,
We just, you know, Haitian MC. We just did something, man.
Next up.
Stu, what up? Every day. Show me. Look, I'm gonna use it for one more person.
He's a rapper.
Oh, man.
He's rock. Her name is